CRV is currently sitting near major lows around 25 cents. And instead of trying to time the bottom, I'm going to start daily compounding strategy using a grid bot and my own machine learning signals. So this is my website here. These are the charts that I've custom built. The data that goes into it is using machine learning to spit out the bands that you see and also the signals that you see as well. So if you're interested in these charts, you can subscribe to my website. It's $10 a month, and you'll see how I'm going to be utilizing them over time with CRV. I'm going to focus on CRV at the moment. I'm starting very small. I just started the Pionex grid bot, and then I'm going to be adding minimum $10 a day to the bot. Sometimes I'll be adding a bit more, sometimes a bit less. But you can see that each time it has been down near these lows, we've had a CRV can have explosive moves up, especially when we get into a bull run on crypto. So right now, obviously, we've seen a huge decline. And you can see right here, it went from 113 and down to 25 cents, or $1.13 down to 25 cents. So, but back here, 2024, it rallied from 49 cents up to 87 cents. Okay, down here on August 5th, 2024, 18 cents up to $1.30. Okay, again here, March 13, 2025, 37 cents up to $1.13. So we are at all-time lows. It could go lower. This is not financial advice. This is just the strategy that I'm going to show how I'm going to be adding to and building a position in CRV over the next months. And then every time that the bot is up 1%, I'm going to be closing the bot, and then I'm going to be restarting the bot with new smart parameters. Okay, this is how I'm going to be compounding. So I'm adding in funds on a daily basis. And when it gets up and above the 1%, maybe it'll do it 3 times a week. Maybe it'll do it 1 time a week. Maybe it won't do it at all in a week, and it declines for a couple weeks. Okay. No matter what, I'm going to be adding minimum $10 a day US, and then we'll go from there. And I'm going to be showing and updating videos as we go through this. So let's go over into where I've started the CRV bot. I'm going to have the Pionex affiliate link down in the descriptions. I would recommend using that. You don't have to. Just be cautious. If you do search for Pionex, and because you don't have an account, you might get some phishing websites where they're fake sites. Okay, Pionex is pretty big. I definitely recommend using the affiliate link. Also, if you use the affiliate link, I'm doing a 50% split. So I'll get 10% of what you're making, and you'll receive that 10% of what you're making within the spots. Okay, so highly recommend using the link in the description. I'll also pin that link in the comments. So what I'm doing is I just go up to the spot, I go to trading bot, click on that. It will take you to what you're looking at now for CRV. If you don't see CRV, you can type it in the search coin name. Okay. And then you can click on it and it will bring you here. Okay, now what you're going to do is click on grid trading bot. You're going to go to smart parameters. You're going to click on that. I'm on the 1 hour chart right now, and you can see how tight these bands are. Okay, if you want to see it a little bit closer, go to the 15, and you might get, maybe one trade a half an hour at the current settings. Like this one here might have hit 1 or 2 within this hour, so, or within this 15-minute candle. So okay, it's just going to be dependent on the volatility. And then you can start with very little. You can start with as little as $1.79. So this is a very good one to get into. It is a utilities token. So It's not just a random meme coin. It powers the Curve finance, which is one of the core pieces of the DeFi infrastructure. Okay, so it specializes in liquidity pools, especially stable coin swaps. That means it's built for efficiency, low slippage, deep liquidity between assets like USDT, USDC, and DAI, which is DAI, okay, and other pegged tokens. So in DeFi, liquidity is everything, and Curve has historically been one of the biggest liquidity hubs in the ecosystem. Okay, so it's a great coin. Or token. I don't believe it's going to disappear and go to zero. That's not to say it may not. Who knows if it's going to be around forever or not. This is why I'm adding into it. But I do like CRV. I did invest in it in the previous bull markets. So it's a very good one to park some money in and add a position to. Okay. But this is not financial advice. Anything you put into this, you may lose 100% of it. Just remember that with crypto, it's very high risk. Okay. So I'm just going to be showing what I'm doing, and you guys can see how it goes, and I utilize my charts over time. That's going to be about it for this video. I'm going to keep it fairly short. I don't want to go too crazy with this. You can see in the details, once you've started the bot, if you choose to start it, you can go over into details here. It will pull it up, and you can see where you're sitting at currently, how many rounds it's done. I've started this 3 hours ago. So it's been running for 3 hours. It's done 5 rounds. Okay, nothing too exciting. The grid profit is very low. I've got $8.62 at this time since I've just started it, but I will be doing future videos here coming up. I might do it a daily video on it. I might do it every 2 days, 3 days, depending on what the crypto market's doing is when I will update you on the CRV. But like I said, you will see this investment be larger over the next, if I do a video in 3 days, you're gonna see this larger anyways, because I'm doing no less than $10. Okay. I'll also be showing my website as well as we move forward, but that's it. Nothing too exciting on the parameters though. I did check this. This is unchecked by default, and then you can check it and it will reinvest the profits automatically. So this little amount, you can see it's gotten reinvested, and then it will reinvest daily at 10 o'clock. Okay, so I did check this. That's something I recommend as well. So as this is getting built up, it will, on a daily basis, whatever it makes for the 24-hour rounds will be reinvested. Anyways, if you guys are interested, sign up to the Pionex, start these bots. Let's do this journey. Let's see where it ends up. I think crypto might short term head up. That's why I've started it right now. It might head up just a little bit here over the next maybe month or two, or we might get a big decline, even more than we've seen. But we'll see how it goes. I think this is a great time to be starting this bot. If you are interested in the website, I do have, there's a lot of other things. It's $10 a month. I do use it for high yield dividend for stocks, and obviously for the crypto, right? I'm only going to focus on CRV at this time. So we'll talk to you guys soon. Take it easy.